If you're over 60 and you've started to notice your muscles getting weaker, it's not your fault. What used to work in your 40s or even your 50s no longer gives the same results. You might walk every day, try to stay active, even lift some light weights. But somehow, your strength, your balance, and your energy keep fading away. Here's the truth. Your body has changed, but your potential hasn't. Even after 60, your muscles can grow stronger again. Your posture can improve. Your balance can return. You just need to train smarter, not harder. And that's what we'll do today. In this video, you'll learn 3 simple standing exercises that can reverse muscle loss, improve circulation, and rebuild the stability that time often takes away. No gym, no equipment, just your body, your breath, and a few minutes of focus. Let's start with one of the most powerful positions you can do at any age. It's called the horse stance. This ancient posture has been used for centuries by martial artists to build leg endurance, strength, and balance all at once. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Turn your toes outward, about 30 degrees. Now slowly bend your knees. Keep your back straight, your chest lifted, and your core engaged. Imagine you're sitting on an invisible chair. Not too deep, just enough to feel tension in your thighs. Now hold. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth. Feel your legs working. Feel your balance holding. This is your body reactivating its deep muscle fibers. Stay for 20 seconds if you're new, or up to 1 minute if you can. Then rise slowly and relax. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. And each day, try to hold just a little longer. Now let's move to the upper body. This exercise strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms. The muscles that help you lift, push, and protect your balance. Stand 1 arm's length away from a wall. Place your palms flat on it, just below shoulder height. Now bend your elbows slowly, leaning your body toward the wall. Keep your heels on the ground and your back straight. Once your nose is a few inches away from the wall, press back, slowly. At the top, pause and hold for 2 seconds. That pause is where the magic happens. You're not just moving, you're teaching your muscles to stabilize again. Do this 10 times. Rest for a few breaths, then repeat 2 more rounds. If it feels too easy, take 1 small step back. If it's too hard, move closer. Remember, this is not about speed. It's about control. Our final movement is the most powerful for balance and coordination. It's called the one-leg stand. This exercise trains your ankles, hips, and all those tiny stabilizer muscles that keep you from falling. Here's how to do it safely. Stand next to a wall or a chair for support. Shift your weight to 1 foot and gently lift the other off the ground. It doesn't need to be high, just a few inches. Now hold. Keep your eyes focused on 1 point in front of you. Breathe slowly. You might feel your ankle wobble. That's good. That's your body relearning balance. Start with 10 seconds per leg, then move to 30, and eventually 1 full minute. As you get stronger, Try closing your eyes for a few seconds. It will challenge your inner balance system and strengthen your coordination even more. Do this every day, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your stability returns. Now take a deep breath. Stand tall, roll your shoulders back, and let your body relax. You've just worked your entire body without a single machine. The key to rebuilding strength after 60 isn't intensity, it's consistency. Your muscles don't need punishment. They need reminders. Daily signals that say, I still need you. 10 minutes a day is enough. 10 mindful minutes of movement can change your confidence, your balance, and your life. And if you support these exercises with proper nutrition, especially protein, hydration, and good sleep, you'll feel stronger every single week. Remember, muscle loss after 60 is not permanent. It's reversible. Your strength isn't gone. It's waiting to be reawakened. Every time you move, you're not getting older. You're taking control. So keep showing up. Keep holding. Keep breathing. Because the moment you decide to move, your body starts to heal.